In this class, we are solving the problem, the lead code problem to sum. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target here. They are providing the array of integer nums after that an integer target here. Return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target here. Its meaning is whenever we are adding the two numbers here, the two numbers sum is equal to the target value. If it is matching, then provide the corresponding index numbers here. You may assume that each input would have the exactly one solution. There will not more than one solution. They are clearly saying that, and you may not use the same element twice here. Means don't use the duplicate element here. Element again and again. You cannot return the answer in any order. You can return the answer in any order. Right. Input numbers equals to 2, 7, 11, 15. 2, 7, 11, 15. The index is a 0, 1, 2, and 3 here. They give the target value as a 9 here. First of all, 2 plus 7. What is the value? 9. Yes, 9 equals 9. The condition has been satisfied. Whenever the condition is satisfied, return the index here. What are the index numbers here? 0 and 1 here. The answer is the 0, 1. Why? Because the nums of 0 plus nums of 1 value is equal to the target value. Next, come to the second example here, 3 to 4. They give the 3 to 4 and whatever the target value is 6 here. 0, 1 and 2. First of all, 3 plus 2, the value is 5. 5 equals to 6. That will not be satisfied. 3 plus 4, the value is 7. 7 equals 6. That will not be satisfied. Okay. Next, means the index 0 data will not be suitable. Next, come to the index number 1. 2, 4. 2 plus 4. What is the value? 6. 6 equals to 6. Yes, the condition has been satisfied. Now, the answer is a 1, 2. Now, the answer is a 1, 2. Next, come to this one here. Nums of 3, 3 and target value 6 here. This is the index 0 and index 1 data. 3 plus 3. What is the value? 6. 6 equals to 6. The condition has been satisfied. The index numbers are the 0, 1 here. Means whenever we are adding the two numbers, okay, our final aim is here the final answer will be equal to the target value. Okay. Whenever it is equal to the target value, then we can return the corresponding index numbers here. Right. For this one, I wrote the code like this one. Okay. For I in a range of length of numbers here. Okay. Here I will took this example here. The second example data is a 3 to 4. The second example data is a 3 to 4, and the target is a 6 here. For I in range of length of numbers here. Here the how many numbers are there? 3 numbers, means a range of 3. A range of 3 is nothing but it is generating the value from the 0, 1 and 2 here. A range of 3 is nothing but it is giving the values as the 0, 1 and 2. I takes the first element. What is first element value? 0. The I value is a 0. After that the body will be executed. The body will be executed. What this body contains? For j in range of I plus 1 comma length of numbers here. What is I plus 1? 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 range of 1 comma length of numbers here. Okay. What is length of numbers here? 3. Range of 1 comma 3. Its meaning is it is given values as a 1 and 2. Okay. Means now the j value becomes as 1. I value is 0, j value is the 1 here. Next after that, if nums of I plus nums of j, nums of I stands for, this is the nums array, this is the nums array. In the nums of 0 place, what is the value? 3. The value is a 3 plus nums of j. J stands for, what is j value? 1. Nums of j value is a 2 here. 3 plus 2, the value is a 5. 5 equals to target. Okay, whether it is equals to the target, what is the target value? 6. 5 equals to 6. The condition is false. This will not be executed. Next, again go to the for loop. The j value will be incremented. Now the j value becomes as a 2 here. After that, if nums of I plus nums of j, nums of I stands for the current I value is a 0 only. What would the j value? 2 here. Nums of 0 value 3 plus nums of j is nothing but nums of 2 value 4. 3 plus 4, the value is a 7. 7 equals to 6 target value. These two are not matching. The condition has been failed. After that, again go to the for loop here. Now the j value is incremented. Okay, but there are no elements are there. With this, the condition has been failed. Okay. After that, if you observe this one here, first of all, the index 0 data 3. Index 1 data is a 2 here. 3 plus 2, the value is a 5. 5 equals to 6, not matching. Next, 3 plus 4, the value is a 7. 7 equals to 6, not matched. Okay. Next, we will move to the next index here. For I, now I will move to the next index position here. Now the I value becomes as 1. Now the I value becomes as 1. After that, for for j in range of I plus 1 comma I plus 1 comma length of numbers here. Okay, length of numbers here. I plus 1 comma length of numbers. Okay, I plus 1. What is I value? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 comma 3. Range of 2 comma 3 is nothing but the value is a 2 here. This is the j value. The j value is a 2. After that, if nums of I plus nums of j. Nums of I stands for nums of one value. The value is a 2 plus nums of j value. Whatever the j value, the j value is a the j value is a 2 here, means what is index to data? 4. 2 plus 4, the value is a 6. Okay, 2 plus 4, the value is a 6 here. 6 equals to 6. Yes, the condition is true. The first condition is true. And I is not equals to j. What is I value? The I value is a 1 and the j value is a 2 here. 1 is not equals to 2. The condition is true. True and true, the condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, return ij. Okay, whatever the ij values here, the ij values are the I value is 1, the j value is 2 here. I value is 1, j value is 2 here. This will be written here. This will be written. Means in the first for loop I am taking the for I in range of length of numbers minus 1. Why length of numbers here? Why? Because from the index 0 to the I'll move up to the last element here. Next, if I am taking the I in this place, I have to take the j in the next place here. Next I plus 1 place. That's why I took the I plus 1 here. I plus 1 up to the ending. If I am taking the I in the 0 place, the j must be at the 1 place. If I is in the 1 place, the j must be in the 2 place here. I have to one step when compared to the I here. Okay. The j value is always in the one step of implementation of the I value here. That's why I plus 1 comma length of numbers here. Whenever the nums of I value plus nums of j value, that is equals to the target, then we have written the corresponding index number here. We have written the corresponding index number here. Okay. All right. Now come to this one here. Here we are having the this is the two sum problem. Okay. Now I am trying running this code. Now I am trying running this code. Right, see this one. Yes, that data can be accepted successfully. Okay. Actually, there is no need of writing of the return statement here. Return minus one. Why? Because anyhow we'll get the solution here. We'll get the solution here.